So first of all, start with your brief introduction.
Okay, sir. Myself Shivashish. I belong to Bhubaneswar, Odisha. My father is a government employee and my mother is a housewife. I completed my BTech from Silicon Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar, in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation branch. Thereafter, I prepared for GATE exam and I qualified GATE 2 times in the year 2020 and 2021. Presently, I am preparing for the interview as well as applying for higher studies.
What is your GATE score?
My GATE score was 409 in year 2020 and 395 in 2021.
395 in
2021.
Okay. So you are interested in signal processing, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have studied signal processing earlier or not?
Yes. Earlier, I have one bit in my BTech. I have studied DSP, digital signal processing.
Shivashish, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Have you studied signal processing earlier during your BTech curriculum or not?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what are the various topics you are more comfortable about signal processing?
Mainly signal processing. Mainly in analog signal processing. I have interest.
Okay.
I have more on the analog domain, means analog continuous time signals related.
Okay. Do one thing. Can you draw an RC low pass filter?
RC low pass.
Yeah.
Sir. RC low
Yeah.
pass.
Tell me.
I can sir this.
Okay. Do one thing. Tell me what will be its impulse response.
Impulse response of low pass filter.
Yeah. Whatever you have drawn, tell me what will be impulse response of this system.
E to the power minus t by RC into U of t.
You mean to say e raised to power minus t by RC u of. I guess there will be one more amplitude scaling factor 1 by RC also.
Sorry. 1 by RC into e to the power minus t by RC into U of.
Okay, can you do its graphical plotation? Can you plot the impulse response graphically versus time?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
This sir. This diagram.
Okay, now for the same system, whatever you have drawn, okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
for
sir.
the same system, whatever you have drawn, can you draw its frequency response? Magnitude spectrum of its frequency response.
Sir, it is this same down. Sure.
Keep your copy up, bit up. You mean to say in the time domain, frequency domain, it will be identical? Hmm? What is the expression of your frequency response? Tell me the expression of frequency response.
1 by RC into j omega plus 1.
So what will be magnitude? Don't you think magnitude will be 1 upon 1 plus R square C square
C square
omega square?
root over.
If
Root
you will
over.
plot, or you have just plotted it for positive frequency, for negative frequency, then
Uh, the same. It will be like this because square.
bit up, bit up. Okay, okay. Leave it. Okay, tell me what do you understand by Fourier series analysis?
Fourier series. Fourier series, in Fourier series, we can express any periodic signals in terms of its harmonics. Hence, it
Like
is
harmonic means, for example.
yeah, uh, uh, harmonics means we can express a square wave periodic square wave signals in terms of in terms of infinite sine sinusoidals. We can express one for Fourier means sorry, we can express one periodic square wave signal in terms of its in terms of infinite sine wave signals. In addition of infinite sine wave signals, we can express.
Only square wave signal, not other signal.
Sir,
Only square wave signal.
no, only we can also do the for the impulse train also. Impulse train also we can. Uh, means,
Okay, what is difference between periodic and aperiodic signal? Define.
if a signal repeats uh, uh, from any point after some finite interval of time, then it is called as periodic. Like sine t, sine t, cos t, and like this. It repeats after certain time period. It has
And
some
then what
period.
will be a periodic signal?
It is also aperiodic signals is a signals which value means will not be repeat. It will not repeat from the some value from the initial value.
Okay, I'm giving you one signal. Okay,
Of
the signal is f of t, right? F of t is equal to some a plus
f of t equal to
b,
a.
a plus
Yes, sir.
b
B
pi t,
a plus b I
a plus b sin pi t
sin pi t. Yes.
plus c
C
sin 3t.
sin sin 3t.
3t.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, whether this is a valid Fourier series expansion or not. Can we say this is the Fourier series expansion of some periodic signal?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, it is the the next the last term sin 3t. There the frequency should be multiple of pi. Means it should be multiple of fundamental frequency. Means a fundamental frequency that is pi.
Okay, now have you listened the term Parseval's power relation?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What is the significance of Parseval's power relation?
Um, According to Parseval's relation, we can find the energy in both uh, time
I'm
domain
asking
or
Parseval's power relation.
sir.
Parseval's power relation.
Yes, sir. Uh, Parseval's power is relation is about the energy of the signal in both the domains in both like a time domain and frequency domain. So the time
Okay, so
domain.
power relation relate energy or power.
Oh, sorry, sir. It about the means power in both time and frequency domain.
Hmm. Then what is the significance of this? Okay, it relates. Basically, it is the law of conservation of power and energy. You can say like that.
Yes.
Whatever, if we are doing a transformation of signal from time domain to frequency domain, energy and power remain identical, right?
Okay.
So what is the use? We can calculate the energy and power in time domain. Then what is the use of defining in frequency domain?
Sir, like some signal, it is very difficult to find in the time domain, like a
Okay,
sine.
for a moment, difficulty we keep apart.
Okay.
I consider your point. Okay. Calculation complexity, let us say that is the universal answer. Any other reason? Any other practical reason? Don't you think that in any of the signal, it contain if multiple frequency, energy and power is distributed with frequency. So if you need some particular amount of energy, then by using these parseval's power relation and energy relation, you can put on the constraint what sort of the frequency we need to pass for the required percentage of energy and power. Don't you think in this direction?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I'm not get actually what is.
See, one you calculate energy and power in time domain.
Yes, sir.
Other you told me, sir, with this we can calculate also in the frequency domain.
Yes, yes, sir.
So there are multiple frequencies, means energy and power is distributed across the frequency in any
Yes.
signal.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
So don't you think that by using the Parseval relation, we get the idea and we can
Yes, sir.
calculate
Yes,
the
sir.
range of
Yes,
frequency, which
yes, sir. Yes.
require percentage
We
of the
can.
energy and power. We
Yes, sir.
can
We can.
filter out the negligent
Our
frequency.
yes, sir. It is power spectral density. We can see the which frequency has what amount of means power it is having.
So don't you think that ultimately it will give us idea about filtering on the basis of the required power percentage and required energy percentage?
Yes, sir. Yes. That is correct.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you listened about distortionless transmission?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Tell me, what do you understand by distortionless transmission?
So distortionless transmission means it is actually noise is very less. It is about noise. So noise is
What,
negligible.
how you will define an distortionless transmission? See, you are transmitting a signal through some system,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes,
So
sir.
how you will ensure what should be the property of that system to ensure the distortionless transmission? Okay, suppose draw some system. Let us say we have some system. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am giving some input. Let us say x of t.
Yes.
Then can you tell me if this system I am putting constraint that this system is distortionless, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Then according to you, what should be the output in terms of input? Tell me. See, distortion means shape should be identical. There should be no change in the shape, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. So it should be exactly come.
There can be amplitude scaling. There can be some multiplying factor. Let us say some k x of t
KX.
minus capital T, because every practical system concludes some delay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
So can we say this is the output of any of the distortionless systems? Y of t is equal to k into x of t minus capital T.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm audible.
Can we say like this? Yes or no?
Y of t equal to k into x of t minus t is the output. You're saying.
Yeah, according to you, it will be the output of distortionless system or not?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
No, tell me if the output for the input x of t is of this shape, so will you say or can you conclude that the output is undistorted? Can you say or not?
Um. Yes, sir. Yes, exactly.
So from here, can you calculate the response frequency response of the system by using the Fourier transform? Calculate what it will be.
Frequency response of the output.
Frequency response of the system.
Okay.
What it will be? It will be y of omega upon x of omega, which
Yes.
is equal to what? K e raised to power minus j omega t.
Yes, sir. Geometry. Yes.
So from here, can you comment on the magnitude of the response and phase of the response?
Magnitude of the response will be, sir, K, and
It
phase will
means it
be.
is independent of the frequency,
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
and phase will be linear function of frequency. Isn't it like this?
Phase is the limit.
Don't you think this property satisfies the distortionless transmission?
Uh, the phase will be affected. Means phase shift will be there for the frequency. Means
But what
interference.
is it? It is a linear function of frequency or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is a
Keep in
linear.
mind this thing, okay?
Yes, sir. It is a linear.
Okay, do you have any idea about recursive filters or non-recursive filters?
Uh, Sir, actually, no, no, sir. I hear, but I don't have idea.
Okay. Do you have any idea about what you understand by LTI system?
Yes, sir.
Explain.
LTI stands for the linear time invariant. So
Hmm.
linear, it should satisfy the addition principle, and addition means superposition principle. Suppose x of t is input, x1 of t is the input, for which output is y1 of t, and x2 of t is another one for which the output is y2 of t. If we give a new signal which is addition of x1 of t plus x2 of t, the new signal, the signal which we are going to means which we get should be equal to the addition of initial two signals, y1 of t and y2 of t, means y of t equal to y1 of t plus y2 of t.
Okay, your background branch is electronics or electrical?
Electronics.
Draw an series RLC circuit and output is taken across capacitor. Okay.
Series RLC. Okay, sir.
Mhm. Input is X of t and output is taken across the capacitor.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yes.
output is Y of t. Tell me whether this system is LTI or non-LTI. Have you listened some term LCCDE, linear constant coefficient differential equation?
Yes, sir.
So do you think that have relation something to this system? Can you write down the equation relating the input and output of this system or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What will be that?
That will be. It's,
You consider RLC1, no issue. 111 for the easiness of calculation.
okay. So it's x of t equal to, sir, it will be the,
Yeah, it will be d square yt upon dt square plus dyt upon dt plus
uh,
y of t is equal to x of t. Yes or no?
it will be one differential equation will come.
So what is it? Isn't it LCCDE, linear constant coefficient differential equation?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Don't you think it will, direct to the LTI nature?
Uh, it is. Yes, sir. It is a constant coefficient and differential equation.
And
Because
individual component RLC, they are linear in themselves and time invariant. Yes or no?
yes, sir. Yes.
Then what will be system?
Linear LTI system it will be.
Okay, Shivashish, yaar, see, why you become so confused? Why you feel so confused when some question is asked to you?
Sir, actually, I have prepared in hurry. Today I have from the morning.
When is your interview?
Tomorrow 10 a.m. But they said that
See,
it will be 12.
right now you can do one thing. Just go through the basic of code. I have given you hint with every question. I have discussed with every question.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
So you go through these distortionless system. You know what are the different type of filters, right? What are
Sir.
the recursive and non-recursive filters?
Yes, sir.
Basically, what are
Yes.
the standard
Yes.
impulse response?
Yes, sir.
Why we use that transform? Why we use Laplace transform? What is difference between Laplace transform and Fourier transform?
Yes.
Apart from what I asked, you go into these questions. Okay, why we use Fourier series?
Yes.
Fourier series is basically what? Representation of any periodic signal in term of what? Orthogonal harmonically related functions. Is it clear? Simple, you define this thing.
Okay.
Is it clear?
It is a summation
So,
of harmonics, orthogonal harmonic signals.
yeah, right? Which are harmonical relativity.
It is sine and cos mainly.
That is trigonometric Fourier series. There are so many forms. There are polar series form. There is trigonometric series
Yes,
form. There is form exponential form. It depends. But basically, you can define in terms of any of one. Definition or introduction conclude identically for all. Okay, there is not much difference. Is it clear?
Sir, again, it is a orthogonally means
It is a representation
harmonic.
of
Ah,
signal in terms of orthogonally related harmonical function. Okay,
okay, okay, okay, okay.
right?
Thank you. Orthogonally.
So apart from this Parseval relation, I discussed with you at that time when I was
Yes,
asking, right? Just to
yes,
think in that direction also,
yes, sir,
right?
yes, 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 yes.
So prepare signal and system basic at least. If you have your copy, if you have make some notes in
Yes,
very less span of time, you don't have that much time that you go for book. Okay.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
So do one thing, just brief out the information from your copy. They can ask you common question, draw the impulse response, draw the step response.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Draw the frequency representation of this. Is it
Okay.
clear? So you
Yes, sir.
must be able to respond instantaneously. So just in very short of span of time, just follow your copy notes, nothing
Yes.
else, right?
Okay.